This is silicone production process line. The dispensing machine leads the liquid material fairly into the mold. Then place the mold into a GINU intelligent oven to drying it. Last, put it into the silicone hydraulic molding press machine. That is GINU Machinery 100-ton silicone rubber vulcanizing machine. It adopted the universal mold-based device. You can fix the upper or lower mold on the base. It will open the mold automatically, reducing manual prying. Moreover, it is universal and can achieve multiple cavities or single cavities in one mold. According to the requirements of products with different shapes, customize different mold structures. Compared with the traditional mold fixing method, the use of the universal mold-based device can reduce the mold changing time, protect the quality of the molds, lower the labor cost, improve the production efficiency, and enable the high-efficiency cycle operation. Moreover, it has a longer service life and is simple and convenient to maintain. If you are in need to produce silicone products more efficiently, we will provide you with one-stop service and offer you comprehensive solutions for silicone product manufacturing.